Meaning of impedance.
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 Impedance. Impedance refers to the measure of opposition to an alternating current flow in an electrical circuit. It includes both resistance and reactance, which are caused by the resistance of a material to the passage of an electric current and the storage of electric energy in a circuit. Impedance is measured in units called ohms and is denoted by the symbol Z. In general, higher impedance means more resistance to the flow of current, which can lead to decreased power transfer. Impedance plays a crucial role in the design and operation of electrical systems, especially in areas such as signal transmission, power distribution, and circuit protection.